Time to outsmart Father Time, the Over 40 edition. Welcome to a new chapter where wisdom meets wellness. Embrace staying fit and healthy as the years go by. This stage offers a unique opportunity to focus on well-being with renewed purpose. Make smarter choices that align with your body's evolving needs. This is your ultimate guide to meal prep for weight loss, tailored for the over 40 crowd. Let's dive into meal prepping and transform your life after 40. Step 1. Ditch the diet mentality. Break free from restrictive eating and constant dieting. Throw those crazy diets out the window. They promise quick results, but leave you feeling deprived. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Create a sustainable lifestyle change. Make choices you can maintain long-term without constant sacrifice. Enjoy the journey. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and enjoy wholesome, nutritious foods. Step 2. Embrace the power of protein. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. As we age, our bodies lose muscle mass, making it crucial to consume adequate protein to preserve muscle strength and function. Think lean meats and fish, which are excellent sources of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Beans, lentils, and tofu are fantastic plant-based protein sources, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Include a good source of protein with every meal and snack. Your body and taste buds will thank you. By prioritizing protein, you'll support your physical health and enjoy delicious, satisfying meals. Step 3. Load up on fiber, your digestive system's new BFF. Remember those digestive woes your grandparents used to complain about? Well, nobody wants to be person. Fiber is the key to keeping things moving smoothly and preventing digestive discomfort, which can become more common as we age. Plus, fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Embrace whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. Your gut and your waistline will thank you. Step 4. Healthy fats don't lie. Repeat after me. Fat is not the enemy. In fact, healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, brain health, and nutrient absorption. The key is choosing the right types. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, and monounsaturated fats found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Your brain and body will thank you for the extra TLC. Step 5. Hydration is your fountain of youth. Water is essential at any age, but it becomes even more critical as we get older. Dehydration can mask itself as hunger, leading to overeating, and can even impact energy levels and cognitive function. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, carry a reusable water bottle with you, and sip on it regularly. Jazz up your H2O with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Step 6. Plan to conquer. The art of meal prepping. This is where the magic happens, folks. Meal prepping is your secret weapon to staying on track with your nutrition goals, especially when life gets hectic. And let's be honest, life after 40 rarely slows down. Set aside a couple of hours each week to plan and prepare your meals. This might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it will save you time, money, and those I have nothing to eat meltdowns during the week. Putting it all together. Sample meal plan. Need some inspiration? Here's a sample meal plan to get you started. Breakfast. Overnight oats with berries, nuts, and seeds. Lunch. Big green salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables. Think broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. Snacks. Greek yogurt with fruit, a handful of almonds, or veggie sticks with hummus. Remember, this is just a starting point. Get creative, experiment with different flavors and recipes, and find what works best for you. Snack attack. Winning the between meal battle. Snacks are your secret weapon against those dreaded energy dips and cravings. Choose nutrient-rich options that will tide you over until your next meal. Think about it. A handful of almonds is a much better choice than that bag of chips calling your name from the vending machine. You've totally got this. You've got this. Embracing a healthy lifestyle after 40 is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. It's about feeling your best from the inside out, having more energy to do the things you love, and living life to the fullest. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. So ditch the diet mentality, embrace the power of whole foods, and get ready to rock your 40s and beyond.